This is the box I got. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of DIY skincare products with you guys. So I'm going to take you inside the box where I have some new ingredients for some DIY skincare products that I'm planning to make. And so I wanted to share that with you guys, especially if you're new to making DIY skincare and you want to know what ingredients you should be getting. Let's get to this unboxing. So guys, if you're returning to this channel, thanks so much for subscribing. Thanks for being a loyal follower. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video with everyone you know who would love seeing how to make their own DIY skincare products. This is the box I got. And no, it is not a huge box, but it is a box nonetheless. And there are some goodies in here and I can't wait to see what they are and of course, share them with you. Okay guys, so this is the box. I am going to go ahead and open it. I have not opened the box since I got it and it's been actually sitting in my little walkway for a couple of days. So hopefully all of the contents are still intact. And let's see, these products actually, like I said, I got them online. This video is not sponsored by anyone. These are just products that I needed. So this is what we have in the box. And I didn't order too many things because I only needed like a few things. So I actually only ordered what I needed, which is really good. All right, so this, guys, is actually some shea butter. I get shea butter from like multiple vendors, but I needed some badly, so I just went ahead and ordered everything together. This is 1 pound of shea butter. So I normally use shea butter in my body butters. I also use it in body scrubs. I use it in emulsified body butters, and I can use this on my hair as well as my skin. And that is one reason why I love shea butter, because pretty much it can go anywhere. You can actually even cook with shea butter. I don't, but you can. And this is also a refined version of shea butter. So it is great if you want to use it in body butters or body scrubs where you want to add fragrance or a scent or essential oil. So the unrefined shea butter will normally have a very nutty aroma. However, the refined version does not have a smell, and so it makes it really easy for you to create your own scent for whatever product or whatever DIY product that you're making. So the next product that I got, let's see, I also got some menthol, so menthol crystals. So these are the menthol crystals. So again, these smell so good. They sort of smell like, well, menthol, but then also maybe like spearmint. So these are great to use in shower steamers or in any like shower product, anything that is going to like help open up your respiratory system. These menthol crystals are really great for that. Actually, let me just take one out and see if you can see that. It looks like a little glacier. So that is the menthol crystal. And yeah, they smell really, really, really nice. So I would certainly recommend putting the menthol crystals in anything like shower steamers, something to like open up your respiratory system. So yeah. Menthol crystals. Let's see what else is in here. The next product that I got is the cranberry seeds. So these are the cranberry seeds, and cranberry seeds are great as an exfoliator. They're also great to go in products such as hand washes or body washes, because they can again exfoliate your body, but they're very gentle. So you can also put these in body scrubs. So they're a great way also to jazz up and sort of decorate your DIY product. Okay, so those are cranberry seeds. The next product that I got is the coconut milk powder. So this is the coconut milk powder, and you can put this in bath soaks. This is great for that. It really helps to soothe the skin. Any type of bath soaks, bath salt. So you can mix this with Dead Sea salt, you can mix it with mineral salt, you can mix it with Epsom salt, so it will help to soothe your muscles, soothe your skin. This is great for any type of bath product. And then the next product that I got is colloidal oatmeal. So colloidal oatmeal is also really great for bath products. So again, you can mix this with Dead Sea salt, Epsom salt, any type of bath soap. So that's great for that. And then you can throw some little florals in to make it really cute, and then just sprinkle it in your water, throw some rose petals in there. Yeah, so that is what the colloidal oatmeal is for. So I will be making a ton of products. I cannot wait, and I can't wait for you guys to join me on my journey of DIY, continuing my journey of DIY skincare. So other products that I got include some preservatives. So I got Optifin, and I also got GeoGuard. Both of these preservatives are really great for including in your skincare. You don't necessarily have to include preservatives in skincare that only has oils and butters, but once you introduce water into the product, then of course you do want to include a preservative. So that is what I got both of these products for. And then the next product that I got is the Polysorbate 80. So this is the Polysorbate 80. A Polysorbate 80 is great to disperse colorants into like water. So if you're creating like bath bombs, so this will help so that you don't have a ring around your bathtub. I also like to put this in like my home sprays that I make. This will help the scent last a little bit longer as well. So that is what I use Polysorbate 80 for. And then I got several different scents because I always love for my DIY products to smell really, really amazing. So I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got actually 7 different scents. So I got a night violet scent, and let's just smell these and see how they smell, because this is my first time actually trying these scents out. Smells so good. This is the night violet, and I wasn't sure if I would really actually like the scent because it's violet, and that doesn't necessarily sound that great to me, but I thought I would try it, and it smells really good. So this is the Love Letters. It sounds so like lovely, so I figured I would get this. And so I feel like I could actually like wear this alone as a perfume. This smells so good. This is Love Letters. Really nice and soft. And then this is the Pink Peony. I would assume this smells like a peony flower. And it actually does. It's a very like soft floral scent. I really like that. And then next I got the Peach Prosecco. So Peach Prosecco maybe smells like champagne, like a peach champagne. It does, it's nice. It's like this would be great in a body scrub, I believe. So yeah, I may try this in a body scrub. And then I also got Camellia Sugar. I would assume this smells really sweet. And actually it doesn't smell that sweet. It has a nice, soft, sweet fragrance. Very fragrant. I like this. Very, very nice. And then let's see, I have 2 more. I got bergamot and nectarine. I love a bergamot by itself. So, oh, this smells, ooh, this smells really good, guys. I like this bergamot and nectarine. So yes, there's a hint of orange at the end, and then at the beginning, of course, it smells like bergamot, which again, I love. And the last one is the Peony and Amberwood. Oh yeah, this is very nice too. So guys, I love all the scents that I purchased. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I didn't buy many products. I only bought what I needed. Drop me a comment in the comment section below and let me know if this video was helpful for you. Don't forget, I have a website over at www.beautyrove.com. I have lots of skincare and hair care recipes that you can go over there and try. I will drop a link in the description box below for these products or products that are very similar that you can get. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with everyone you know, especially if they love trying to make their own DIYs. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.